This is where innovation begins, inside a futuristic Apple megafactory. Engineers refine digital blueprints with extreme precision. Raw aluminum arrives, ready to become premium devices. Rare earth materials are prepared for advanced electronics. Silicon wafers are processed inside ultra-clean environments. Massive CNC machines carve aluminum with microscopic accuracy. Robotic polishers smooth every surface to perfection. Anodizing adds to signature premium metallic finish. iPhone frames are shaped from a single metal block. The iPhone frames move onto automated assembly lines. Micro-connectors are attached with flawless accuracy. Logic boards are installed by robotic arms. Batteries are secured inside the aluminum body. High-resolution camera modules are placed precisely. OLED displays arrive inside dust-free trays. Each display is aligned perfectly with the frame. Robotic presses seal the screen into place. Laser systems secure the edges seamlessly. Finished smartphones continue down the production line. MacBook unibody shells are milled flawlessly. MacBook motherboards are assembled with advanced components. Powerful silicon chips are mounted precisely. Cooling systems are installed for optimal performance. Keyboards and trackpads are carefully fitted. The display and hinge are connected smoothly. Tiny earbud shells are molded with precision. Micro speakers are placed inside each unit. Miniature batteries are inserted automatically. The charging case is assembled seamlessly. Wireless charging coils are integrated inside. Watch cases are shaped from aluminum. Durable glass displays are fitted precisely. Sensors and processors are assembled inside. Touchscreens are tested for flawless responsiveness. Camera systems undergo detailed inspection. Devices face vibration and durability testing. Water resistance is verified in sealed chambers. Only perfect products move forward. Minimalist boxes are formed automatically. Smartphones are placed inside precisely. MacBooks are wrapped in protective layers. Accessories are packed with perfect alignment. Each box is sealed with a clean finish. Robots stack boxes inside smart warehouses. Inventory systems scan every package instantly. Products are stored in controlled environments. Pallets move towards automated loading bays. Delivery trucks are loaded with precision. Air cargo transports products worldwide. Devices travel across global markets.